Hello students, this is Dr. Seema Marwaha, Associate Professor in Zoology from Hansraj Mehla Mahavidyalaya. So today we will talk about the external features of Petromyzon. As you know, the subphylum Vertebrata is divided into two sections. One is Agnatha, that is animals without jaws, and the second is Gnathostomata, means animal with jaws. So Petromyzon belongs to section Agnatha. The class to which it belongs is Cyclostomata. Now coming to the habitat, it is a marine fish which lives in sea water. The important habits are that it is sanguivorous, means it is feeding on the blood of some other fish. Respiration is with the help of gill pouches. Locomotion is with the undulations in the body. And breeding is very special here, that it only breeds once during its lifetime. And there is appearance of secondary sexual characters in both male and female. And there are special breeding areas to which the fishes migrate during the breeding season. So the female lays about 236,000 eggs after mating. The larva is known as Ammocetus. So this is the diagram of Petromyzon. Here you can see it is a long body divided into head, trunk and tail. There are no pectoral pelvic fins, as you can see. There is present only anterior and posterior dorsal fin continued in the caudal fin around the tail. So there are present external gill slits through which the water goes in and comes out of the body. So this is green color body divided into three parts: head, trunk and tail. Now the head region, it has mouth, a single nares, and there are present 7 pairs of gill slit. Now there is special feature of presence of buccal funnel. Buccal funnel is present in the head region, and if we see the structure, it is having oral fimbriae and long cirri. There is a single nares. Eyes, there are 2 in number. There are no eyelids, and gill slits, they are present behind the eyes. So the buccal funnel helps in attaching the fish or the Petromyzon with the other fish body, from where it is going to. So here you can see the diagram. In this diagram you can see the structure of buccal funnel, which helps in sucking the blood from the fish. So this is again ventral view of the head, which is showing the buccal funnel and the presence of mouth and tongue in the center. So this is the middle region, that is the trunk, which is having 2 median fins, anterior dorsal and posterior dorsal. Fins, they are supported by the fin rays, and cloaca is present at the posterior end of the body with a small anus in it. There is also present urinogenital papilla, which is having urinogenital aperture behind the anus. So there are no pectoral pelvic fins in the Petromyzon. Only 2 median anterior and posterior dorsal fins are present in the trunk region. Now tail is having the caudal fin, which is continuous with the posterior dorsal fin. There are also present lateral line sense organs. They are present in the center of the body, in the head to trunk and then to the tail.